So now that we've practiced both ways of interchanging exponential statements to logarithmic form and from logarithmic form to exponential form, we should be able to find the exact value of a logarithm without using a calculator by reading the logarithm statement. So let's practice that. Part A, log base 5 of 25 equals 2. Because we know 5 squared is 25. So the power of 5 that gives us 25 is 5 squared equals 25. So that is how we get the answer, so to speak. What power of 5 gives you 25? Well, that's exponent of 2. Part B, ln of e cubed equals 3. So the power of e that gives us e cubed is e cubed equals e cubed. Part C, log to the base 11 of the square root of 11. Well, let's think about that one first in a sentence. The power of 11 that gives us the square root of 11. Well, remember, we can write the square root of 11 as 11 to the 1/2 power. So 11 to the 1/2 power equals the square root of 11. So log base 11 of the square root of 11 is 1/2. Part D, log base 5 of 1. Well, let's think about that in a sentence first as well. What power of 5 gives us 1? Well, we know that anything to the 0 power is 1. So 5 to the 0 power is 1. So this answer is 0. Log to the base 5 of 1 equals 0. Part E, log to the 1/3 base of 9 equals, well, we'll have to think about that one a minute too, I think. The power of 1/3 that gives us 9. So we have to think about that. How can I get 9 with base 1/3? Well, if we take 1/3 to the -2 power, that means we would get 3 to the +2 power, and 3 squared is equal to 9. So back to the statement here on the left, log of the 1/3 base of 9 is equal to -2. And that's because in exponential form, thinking it through, this statement here, we need 1/3 to the -2 power. That's how we get 9 with the base 1/3.